And remember, these smaller valves with the thinner copper lines, when they're unscrewed and they're hanging loose, they can be kind of a pain in the ass with the Sawzall. So I always use the bolt cutter for those, because it goes through real quick and easy. That way it's not dancing around all over the place when you get the Sawzall on it. And let's get in a little closer on this guy. These ones with the aluminum coils, it's kind of the same deal. Let's see if we can get a good angle on that. So those are a pain to get the blade in, you know, behind these and in between all that. It can be a little bit of a nightmare too. They cut so easy with these. I'll just run down with the bolt cutters and do these easy cuts. Bend it out just a tiny bit. Bam, that one's loose. And again, that's the thin valve, the thin lines on the smaller valve. That can be a real pain to cut with the Sawzall. So we do that with the bolt cutters. And then, once all those are done, all that's left is like 2 or 3 cuts with the Sawzall, and this thing is done. We'll cut those pipes with the Sawzall in there, cut that thicker one as well, even though it's a little bit of a tough angle. We'll be able to knock this off here and get at that.